Welcome to
Welcome to
Movenpick,
Movenpick,
Boracay.
Boracay.
You see the sun? The sun is just like, you see? Super fine. And then that's the sunset. And that's a famous spot also. And welcome to Boracay. May 13, 2024. And this is a private beachfront of Movenpick.